Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell an ebook using your WordPress website. The checkout process will be a straightforward one and a very simple one that will ensure an increase of your ebook sales, because complex checkout processes which decrease the sales of any digital product online. So let me show you what we are going to build during this video. Of course, we are going to build a basic sales page for your ebook where you can add like title and image of the ebook, and also some text, and also a button for the people to buy your ebook. I'm going to show you how you can add a testimonial section for your sales page. This will act like a social proof to show people that, or to show your potential customers that this is a valuable book. And when people try to buy the ebook, they will click this link and they will stay at the same or in the same page, and they will just add their name here, email address, and they will click pay for the price of the ebook. Of course, you can add here like you can use PayPal, Stripe, and other payment methods to enable people to pay for your ebook. And once they click pay now for the full price, they will be redirected into a thank you page that includes a link to the ebook. Not only this, but also they will receive an email with a link to the ebook as well. Let me show you this email, and this is the email that your customers will receive once they buy the book as well inside their email inbox. So as you can see, you can just add a link to your ebook here. Of course, you will be able to change the background color of the ebook and make some changes, and of course change the text of all the email itself. So without any further delays, let me show you how you can do this inside your WordPress website. The first step that we need to take is to download a free plugin called Fluent Forms first. So you can do this by going to plugins and click add new, and inside the search plugins bar, search for a plugin called Fluent Forms. And this is the plugin that we are looking for to install and activate the plugin. This is easy, you just click install now, and then you click activate. Now we have installed and activated the Fluent Forms free plugin. We need to also install the premium plugin of Fluent Forms to be able to use the payment feature of the Fluent Form. I will be leaving a link down below in this video description for Fluent Forms Pro, so you can use it and try it out. Once you buy or download the Fluent Form Pro, which you will be able to download it once you buy the plugin by going to your dashboard. You will be able to download the premium plugin from here, and also you will have access to your license key. Once you do this, you can again go to the plugins page and click add new here. Once you are here, you need to choose the file and then install the premium plugin inside the WordPress website. Let me just open or choose the file from my computer. So this is the file. I just click install now, and then I click activate the plugin, and now the Pro add-on has been installed and activated inside our WordPress website. The next step that we need to take is to create our payment form. You can easily do this by going to Fluent Forms Pro and click new form, and let's create one from scratch. And I always like to rename the file at the beginning, so you can rename the file by clicking the pencil icon here, and let's give this a name, and let's click rename. Now our form is ready to be used. So let's design the form by dragging and the name fields here, and also drag the email field here. As you can see, it is very easy to use Fluent Forms, and you can use it for to build multiple types of forms, surveys like questionnaires, contact forms, and other types of forms. So now we have our first name field here. Let's uncheck the last name to exclude it here, and we have also our email. So now to add our payment field, we need to go back to the input fields again, and down here you'll find the payment fields. You just drag the payment field here, and now we can make some customizations to this. And so let's just say like let's remove this element table, and let's call this the price. Let's change it here for the amount label. Let's call this like the ebook price, and also here we can change the payment amount itself. So let's make this like $9.99. And now we also need to change the button of the form itself. So let's go here and change this to be something that makes sense. I think this makes sense now. So let's just click save form. Now our form is ready to be used inside our WordPress website, but still we need to make like 2 extra steps for this. The first step is that we need to redirect people once they click the pay now, or once they buy the ebook. They need to be redirected into a thank you page, and you can do this by going to settings and integrations, and here under the confirmation settings you can just check like go to page, and here you search for the page. Of course, make sure that you have already created the page before. So let's search for thank you ebook. This is the page that I have created, but of course again you can simply just choose to the same page, and you can write down here like a very simple or a very basic thank you message. I like to redirect them to another page and then click save settings. Now for the email itself, you need to go to the email notifications tab, and here you can add a notification, and let's call this customer notification. And then you need to choose select field, and here you need to choose like the email field. This will list all the fields that you have added inside the form itself. Make sure you use the field. So what this shall do is that this email will be sent dynamically to every email that has been added inside the payment form. And here of course you can add a subject, so let me add a subject here, and inside the email copy, let me copy the email itself. So this is the email, of course you can make some changes, everything you can customize inside here. Ebook. Okay, if you want to add like the first name dynamically, let me just delete this. You can add this, so the message will be personalized according to the name of the customer. Make sure that after hi you add a space, and here you click add shortcodes, and you choose the first name shortcode. So now this email will be personalized. So now all the email is ready. Okay, so let's click like save notification. Now once someone pay for the ebook, they will receive the email with the link for the ebook itself, and also they will be redirected to the thank you page. I forgot to tell you how you can add a link inside the email notification, so let's go back again. You can simply do this by like clicking here, and let's say click here to download the ebook, and then you can just highlight it and click this hyperlink and add the link to your ebook from here. So now this email will include the link to the ebook itself. So let's click save notification. So now our form is ready to be used. We need to set our payment methods like Stripe, PayPal, or even offline payment. To do this, you need to go to global settings, and here under payment, you need to make sure that you enable the payment module, and here you need to add like some business name, email address, and of course you can upload your logo as well. To set up your payment methods, you need to click this menu here, and you can choose to set up Stripe by going through this process, or PayPal. Let me just uncheck Stripe. PayPal, you can just check PayPal here, but for the simplicity of this video, I would choose this payment to make sure this is an offline payment, and then you click save settings. Now our form itself is ready to be used inside our WordPress website. Now let me show you how we can design a landing page or a sales page for the ebook. So let's go to the page and click add new, and let's give this a name. Now we have to add like two sections column inside our page. You can do this by clicking the plus button here, and I'm using the Kadence Plugins, which is a free plugin that you can download for free to design the landing page. So once you download the plugin, you need to choose like row layout, and let's choose like a 2-column layout here. And now we have a 2-column layout. To add an image, we need to click this plus button and search for the image block, and click image and choose it from our media library, or even you can upload it. So I have just added it to my media library, so I'll just choose it here and click select. Now we have our image of the ebook. Maybe we need to just minimize the size, and let's choose like medium to be able to control it more, and let's make this like center aligned. Now we need to add our heading. To add our heading, you click again the plus button and search for the heading tab or block, and now we can add our heading here. Let me add a heading quickly. To add a paragraph below the heading, you click the 3 dots here and choose insert after, and you just paste your paragraph here. If you like to duplicate it, you can just duplicate it from here by clicking again the 3 dots, which includes many features or options. You click duplicate to, maybe we need to make this like smaller text, so let's make this smaller. Now we have our main headline, our 2 small paragraphs. Maybe we need to add like the bullet points. You can do this by again clicking the 3 dots here, insert after, and click the plus button and search for icon list, and here you can add your icon list content. So let me just add this one. Let's call this like the Hilib. Of course you can just again you can duplicate the icon list if you like to increase it. So let's make this like 3 icon lists. If you like to increase the spacing between the icon lists, make sure that you are choosing the icon list item here or block here. And under general, you can increase it from the vertical spacing here. Okay, so now we have almost the half of the sales page ready. To add a link, this is easy. Again, you just make sure that you are choosing the icon list and click the three dots and click insert after. Click the plus icon and search for button. Now this is the button. Let me add a link here, or let me add some text here. Now we have our button. Let's leave now with the link aside for now. Let's click publish to make this publish. Now we need to add our testimonials section. You can do this again by clicking the plus button here and search for a row layout. And let's again make this like one column. And here let's start by adding a headline for this, saying like what other people say about this. We click the heading and let me add a heading here. And let's center line this one here, like here. Okay, now we need to add our testimonials. Let me fix this first. So to add a testimonial after the heading, you know the drill, click the three dots and click insert after. And here we need to search for a block called testimonial. This is the testimonial block. You can choose whatever format you want. So let me choose this one. And here let's add a title for the testimonial. And also let me add some text for the testimonial itself. To change or to add the image of the customer who added this testimonial, you click this image and let's choose this. Let's choose this one and click select. Now we have our testimonial block ready. Maybe you need to make some changes, maybe to make the heading smaller, to control the heading like color, style, and the text itself again, and the image. Make sure you are using testimonials here. And here you can control under the style, you can change the background of the testimonial itself. Let's make this like this color or even this color. And maybe like add a box shadow if you like, but I don't like box shadows anymore. For the content, maybe for the title first, we can change it to be like medium for the font size. Of course, if you like to add like a specific font size, you just click here and you can add the size you want. But I like the way that Kadence blocks handle this. For the text itself, again, make sure you are using testimonials. And for the text, let's choose the text here. Let's make this like small, so we have a smaller size. I think now our testimonial is ready. Maybe you are asking yourself, but how you can make it like 3 testimonials beside each other? You can do this by first you need to duplicate the testimonial itself. So let's click here and duplicate this testimonial and duplicate this one as well. And let's go to testimonials tab, and under general, let's make this like 3 columns. So we can have our 3 testimonials just in one line. Now we have almost like 70-75% of the page ready. Of course, you need to change the title and text and image of the 2 other testimonials. Now to add the form itself inside the page, this is very easy. You just again you click the plus button and let's add another row layout. Let's choose 1 column and let's add a heading first. So let's say like buy now and act, and let's center line this. Now to add the form itself, you can just click the plus button, the 3 dots again, and click insert after and click the plus button and search for Fluent Forms. This is Fluent Forms. And here we need to choose our ebook form. So this is the ebook form. Let's click update. Now our ebook form is ready to be used. Let's view the page and see how it looks like now. So this is the page. As you can see, you need to get rid of the title itself, but everything is almost like looks fine. Or maybe you need to downsize or decrease the size of the width of the form. We can easily do this. I'm going to show you how. But first, let's get rid of the page title. This will depend on your theme settings, but I'm using the Kadence theme, which is an amazing theme. You can do this easily by going to the page setting itself. No, not the page settings, but the Kadence page settings here, and you just click disable the page title, and also you can disable the header and also the footer. And let's make the content style unboxed, and let's make everything else like the same. Let's disable the transparent header again. Let's click update, and now when we refresh the page, we'll find now there is no header and there is no title. Now we need to downsize or decrease the size of the form. We can easily do this by going to the row layout. We have added, this is the main row where we have added our form itself, and we need to go to the row settings, the maximum width. You can control it from here. Let's make this like 750 to make it like shrink again, and click update. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, this is now ready to be used. Maybe you like, if you can, how you can add a shadow. Go again to the row layout, and inside here, make sure you are choosing this section itself. Under style, let's go to the border styles. Let's choose box shadow, and let's click update. Now our form is ready. Now we need to make just one last step for this to be able to work, and that's it. When people click this button, I need them to go to this section, and this is very easy to be done. So let's go back again to our page and make sure that you are choosing the row layout of the form itself. And here under advanced, let's go down here. Let's add again under advanced here. You need to add under HTML anchor. Let's call this like cell. So you need to add like this name here, and let's click update. And let's go again to the button itself, and here under the link we need to add this hash and use the same word. So let's click here and let's click save, and now it's saved. So let's click update and let's refresh the page. We have our box shadow here. Now when people click the button, they go back or they go down to the bottom to the form itself. If you like to add some padding, this is very easy. It can be done by going again back to the page itself. Let's choose the section, and here under advanced, let's add some padding here. Let's choose this to be linked. So let's add padding and let's click update. And let's click refresh. So this is the page now. Let's test this to see how it will work. So I'm imagine that I'm a customer. I'm going through with the page itself. I'm convinced to buy the ebook. I'll just click buy the ebook, and I will add my name and also my email address here. And I will just click yes, I want to buy the ebook. Now I'm redirected to the thank you page, and now I can click download to download the ebook itself. Let me check on my inbox to see the email that I have received. And here is the email that I have just received like 0 minutes ago with a link to the ebook itself. If you like to add like a button inside the email, you can easily do this by going back to the form itself. Let's choose the form from here, and let's click like settings. And let's go to the email notifications. If you like to add a button, you go here and at any place inside the email, and you click the button here, and this you just click, add the text, add the URL of the thank you page. Again, you can change the background color from here, maybe like to make it like green or to whatever you want. And let's click insert. Now we have our button inside the email itself. So this is how easy you can sell ebooks inside your WordPress website. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider to subscribe to the channel, because this video is part of my 100 days challenge to create a video for YouTube every single day for 100 days. So your subscription to the channel will be a great support for me during this challenge. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.